Hello friends, today we will study next machine Simplex. So we are going to start new machine Simplex, which is also called speed frame. It is also called roving frame. The object of this machine is to produce the roving. Till now we have studied blow-room, card, draw frame, lap former, comber. So after preparation of the sliver, whether it is carded or combed, so we are having sliver. Now we have to produce the yarn, and for producing the yarn there are two options. Number one is to produce roving from the sliver, or we can have sliver to yarn spinning. So sliver to yarn spinning is not very common, and from the sliver roving is prepared, and the package which is prepared is shown in this diagram. So this is the package of the Simplex machine or roving frame or speed frame, in which it is shown that it is having taper at the sides and cylindrical in the middle. So lift is generally 12 inches and the diameter is 6 inches or 6.5 inch. These days, the latest Simplex machines are having lift up to 18 inch or 20 inch and maybe even more. So these days modern machines are having the size of the Simplex bobbin 20 inch by 6.5 inch. So today we'll study the objects of Simplex machine. But what are the objects? Previously, up to 1970s, this type of sequence was used: draw frame, sliver frame, interframe, roving frame, and then ring frame. At that time, the cost consciousness was not so much. We were not aware about the cost. Later on, people thought that why there is a need to use slubber, inter and roving frame, why not to have a single machine which can produce the roving? So after 1970s, we are using only one machine, which is also called Simplex machine or roving frame or speed frame. So after draw frame, Simplex or roving frame, and then ring frame. So in the draw frame, sliver is produced, and this sliver is fed to the roving frame, and roving is produced, and then this roving is fed to the ring frame, and finally yarn is produced. Single yarn is produced on the ring frame. It is also said that Simplex is a necessary evil. Means if it is possible that we can omit Simplex, then it is good, because our ultimate aim is to produce the yarn. But to apply such a high draft of 300 to 500 at one machine, the yarn quality is not good. So we are applying the draft at two machines. For example, we are applying a draft of 10 at the simplex and draft of 30 at the ring frame. So total draft applied is 300. So previously slubber frame, interframe, jack frame were used, but they are not used today, these days. So that is obsolete. And sliver to yarn spinning is also not successful because of the high draft. And there is one more problem, cans. If we will do sliver to yarn spinning, then we will have to feed the cans on the ring frame, and cans are the worst possible mode of transport for ring frame. So that's why we are using simplex, means after draw frame, simplex machine is used to convert sliver to the roving, and then this roving is converted to the yarn on the ring frame. So what are the objects of simplex? So broadly speaking, we can say that drafting, twisting, and winding are the three main objects of the simplex. In the drafting, attenuation of the sliver up to roving stage of required fineness. It means that we will have to attenuate the sliver so that the required fineness of the roving is achieved. And generally 5 to 20 draft is applied. And the most common draft is 10 or 12 or 14. So the first object is drafting, means we will apply the draft so that sliver is converted to roving of required fineness. Next is twisting, to provide the protective twist to the roving. What does it mean? It means that we will have to apply the minimum twist so as to give a protective twist. Why protective twist? Because we will apply the twist only of that amount which is necessary for transportation to the ring frame. So for this, only 30 to 65 tons per meter twist will be required, because the final twist will be given in the yarn stage. So the twist which is given at the simplex, that is only for proper transportation of the roving up to the ring frame so that it can easily be put on the creel of the ring frame and easily fed to the ring frame without any problem. Next object is winding. So winding the roving on a suitable package which can easily be doffed, transported and drawn on the ring frame. So whatever material is delivered from the front roller of the simplex, that must be wound on a suitable package. So in this case, simplex bobbin will be fed to the ring frame, and the ring frame there will be sideways unwinding. So we will have to take care of the conditions at the next machine. So the conditions are different. It is sideways unwinding, slow speed sideways unwinding. So that's why a bobbin, simplex bobbin having taper at top and bottom will be preferred, as it is slow speed and sideways unwinding. So package of the shape which is shown in this diagram will be formed. So this kind of package is suitable for feeding the material on the ring frame. In this case, roving will be taken sideways and fed at a very slow rate to the ring frame. So this kind of package, simplex bobbin, will be easily docked at the simplex, and we can transport it with the help of trolleys or automatic transport system and donned on ring frame. It can easily be fed to the ring frame, and if the twist is of minimum amount, then it will not cause any problem at the ring frame. So we can now conclude that there are three objects of simplex: drafting, twisting, and winding. So we are revising that drafting means attenuation of the sliver so that required fineness of the roving is achieved. For this, we are applying a draft of 5 to 20. And some protective twist is also applied to the roving so that the material roving can be drafted properly at the ring frame next machine. Winding of the roving on a suitable package. A suitable package is formed so that it can easily be drafted, transported, and donned on the ring frame machine. So with this, we conclude our today's lecture, and tomorrow we will study that what are the how these objects are achieved, how these drafting, twisting, and winding are achieved, that we will study in the coming lectures. Thank you.